Knee pain shouldn't stop you from enjoying yoga. With the right accessories, you can protect your joints and keep your practice pain-free. Here are 4 must-haves for a comfortable, supportive practice. 1. Signature fitness yoga blocks. Perfect for reducing strain and improving alignment. 2. Magical grip socks. Keep your feet stable and secure, even on slippery surfaces. 3. Rigid fitness yoga mat. Offers extra cushioning to protect your knees during poses like child's pose or camel. 4. Yogi large yoga mat bag. Keep everything organized and easy to carry. These accessories don't just prevent pain, they make yoga more enjoyable, whether you're a beginner or an advanced practitioner. No more excuses, no more pain. Invest in these essentials and rediscover the joy of yoga. Check the description to get yours today.